Reforms may not be apparent to one and all at first sight, but small acts can drive reforms. What appears minor can actually be vital and fundamental. Further, there is no contradiction between doing big ticket items and doing small things. One approach is to have new policies, programs, large projects, and path-breaking changes. Another approach is to focus on the small things that matter. Create a people's movement and generate mass momentum, which then drives development. We need to follow both paths. Let me explain this a bit. Generating 20,000 megawatt of power attracts a lot of attention. That is important. अगर मैं कल घोषणा करता हूं कि हम 20,000 मेगावाट बिजली टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के हेडलाइन पे आ जाएगा, शायद। At the same time, 20,000 megawatt of power can be saved through a people's movement for energy efficiency. The end result is similar. The second is more difficult, but is as important as the first. In the same way, improving 1,000 primary schools is as important as opening a new university. The new aims we are setting up will improve public health in the same way as our promise of health assurance. To me, health assurance is not a scheme. It is about ensuring that every rupee spent on health is well spent, that every citizen has access to proper health care. Similarly, when we do Swachh Bharat, it has multiple impacts. It is not just a fad or a slogan. It changes mindset. It changes our lifestyle. Swachhta becomes a habit. Waste management generates economic activity. It can create lots of Swachhta entrepreneurs. The nation gets identified with cleanliness. And of course, it has a huge impact on health. After all, diarrhea and other diseases cannot be defeated without Swachhta. The mantra of independence was Satyagraha. महात्मा गांधी ने पूरी आजादी का केंद्र बिंदु शब्द रहा था सत्याग्रह. And the warriors were Satyagrahi. The mantra New Age India must be Swachhagraha. Like Satyagraha, Swachhagraha. And the warriors will be Swachhagrahi. Like Satyagrahi, Swachhagrahi. Take the case of tourism. It is an untapped economic activity. But tapping it requires a Swachh Bharat. It needs improvement in infrastructure and telecom connectivity. It requires better education and skill development. Therefore, a simple goal can generate reforms in multiple sectors. People must understand the Clean Ganga program. Clean Ganga program as an economic activity. The Gangetic plains account for 40% of our population. They have over 100 towns and thousands of villages. Improving Ganga will develop new infrastructure. It will promote tourism. It will create a modern economy helping millions of people. In addition, it preserves the environment. Railway is another example. There are thousands of railway stations in the country where not more than 1 or 2 trains stop in a day. These facilities created at a cost remains unused for most of the day. हमारे देश की जो रेलवे स्टेशन है छोटे छोटे गांव के, वहां ऑप्टिकल फाइबर नेटवर्क भी है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी है. उससे 2 किलोमीटर दूर गांव में बिजली नहीं है. क्या हम इस रेलवे स्टेशन को, जो कि 1 या 2 ट्रेन आती है, वहीं पर स्किल डेवलपमेंट के सेंटर खड़े करें, उस बिजली का उपयोग करें, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर नेटवर्क का उपयोग करें, और उसी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का मल्टीपल यूटिलिटी हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता? स्मॉल इज इंडीड ब्यूटीफुल. और मैं जब छोटा था तब एक किताब पढ़ता था, स्मॉल इज ब्यूटीफुल.